Imagine you are fast asleep, vacationing in the mountains with your family, or watching your favorite movie. And at that very moment, money is being quietly deposited into your bank account. Is this a dream? The world's greatest investor, Warren Buffett, says, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. In today's video, I am going to tell you 7 such secret ways through which money will work for you, not you for money. But wait, the 4th method is so surprising that it can change your luck overnight. Are you ready to get the key to your freedom? Let's begin. Friends, we have all been taught since childhood to work hard and earn money. But rich people don't work hard, they work smart. They don't run after active income, they build an empire of passive income. Passive income doesn't mean you won't have to do anything. It means you work hard in the right place once and then enjoy the fruits for the rest of your life. The next 10 minutes are going to change your entire thinking. The first and Warren Buffett's favorite method is dividend-paying stocks. When you become a shareholder in a big company, that company gives a part of its profit to its shareholders. You don't have to do anything. Just choose the right company and invest in it. Imagine you are drinking Coca-Cola and receiving money every month from that same company while sitting at home. This is a tree that you planted once, and now it will give you fruit for a lifetime. But what if you don't understand the stock market? Don't worry, because the second method can make you rich without any risk. Have you ever heard of the magic of compounding? The second method is investing in index funds. In this, you don't need to think about which stock will go up and which will go down. You invest money in the entire country's economy. If you save just 500 or 1,000 rupees every month and leave it for the next 20 or 30 years, then compound interest, compounding, can turn it into crores of rupees. This is best for those who want to grow their wealth without any stress. The third method is for those who have a special skill. This is the era of the internet. If you know how to cook, know coding, or know how to play the guitar, you can write a digital book or create a course. You created it once and put it on the internet. Now, a person sitting in any corner of the world will buy it, and money will keep coming into your account. You will be sleeping, and your knowledge will be printing notes for you. Now we have reached the point where the game changes completely. The next 2 methods, namely the 4th and 5th, are the biggest money-making machines of the current era. If you understand these, you will never have to work under any boss. Did you know that the mobile phone in your hand can become a gold mine? The 4th method is YouTube. Today, you are watching this video, and the running of this video generates advertising money. Once you have made a good video, it will be watched for years and will earn you money for years. This is a digital asset that never gets old. For this, you don't even need to show your face. You just need good information and a voice. The 5th method is centuries old but still the strongest today: rental income. If you have an empty room, a shop, or even a vehicle, you can rent it out. The value of the land will keep increasing, and you will keep receiving a fixed amount every month. Rich people never spend their hard-earned money. They first buy assets and then fulfill their hobbies with the rent coming from those assets. The 6th method is affiliate marketing. In simple words, helping to sell others' goods. If you suggest a good book or a mobile phone to someone and they buy it through the link provided by you, the company gives you a certain percentage of commission. For this, you don't need to open any shop, you just need to build a right network. Now let's talk about that 7th and most mysterious method, which big investors use, but a common person never thinks about. This method is a machine for making money from money. The 7th method is lending money to others, but not through a bank, rather through secure digital platforms. Here, you directly lend money to those people who need it, and in return, you get much higher interest than a bank. Here, your money fights for you like a soldier and wins more money every month. Friends, passive income is not magic, it is a science. In the beginning, you will have to work hard, sow the seed, and water it. But once that plant grows big, it will give you so much shade that you will forget working in the sun. Warren Buffett has crossed the age of 90 today, but his wealth is increasing every second because he identified these paths. Now you tell me in the comments which of these 7 methods you are going to start from today. Remember, a small investment today can become your big freedom tomorrow. If you like this audio, share it with those friends whom you want to see becoming rich. Thank you.